Welcome back to this week's churn, guys. Today we're going to be churning Aspiration, Spend, and Save. They have two bonuses, guys. They have $150 for spending, $1,000 within your first 60 days of using your standard spend and save account. There's a loophole around that, guys, which we will get into later. And the next one is a $50 for using a referral link when signing up through the link I will have in the description. And obviously, if you're going to spend $1,000 for the $150, then you're obviously going to get the extra $50 for spending $250. Remember, guys, there's a loophole. You don't actually have to spend $1,000. You can if you want. We'll get into that later, though. So basically, here are the terms and conditions. So this is for new Aspiration people only. If you've never heard of them, then you're good. If you've already had an account with them, which most of you probably have not, because I've never even heard of this bank. It's a really low-key bank. You're good. Next is when opening up your Aspiration account, you must fund in your spend and save account, which is the one that gives the bonus, with a deposit of 10 or more. And then it says use the Aspiration debit card to make at least $1,000 worth of cumulative transactions. It's not actually true. You don't have to do multiple, because I've actually received emails from them where they just say spend $1,000 and they don't mention the cumulative part. I'm probably saying that word wrong, guys. I don't care. And if they end up not sending the bonus, guys, you can just simply screenshot that email, comment if they don't. Guys, it never happens. You don't have to worry about it. Very, very rare will you not get a bonus from a bank churn. But glitches in the system do happen, guys. But I'll get into that later. And then it's allow up to 120 calendar days. So basically 4 months. Long time, I know. But yeah, 4 months, 3.5 months for your 150 offer credit to post. It doesn't actually take that long. That's just allow up to, but usually it happens in 3 months. Okay, so we're going to start off by going to the link below, guys, and this is what you're going to see. It's going to be aspiration.com, and you're going to see that my referral has popped up here, and this is where you're going to want to sign up, guys. So you're going to want to put in your email right there. Go to your email, guys, click on the sign up link, check spam. If it's not there, check social, check all boxes if you can't find it, or maybe do it again. And then once you click on the link, guys, you will get here to congratulations, Gabe's referral gives you $50 in cash when you join Aspiration and spend $250. So you know, cumulative. Okay, now join us. I'll have the terms and conditions, the actual ones I didn't put on the slide, in the link below too as well. So once you get started, guys, you're going to want to fill out all your regular info, guys. I'm not going to show that part, obviously, but you're going to want to put in your name, address, proof that you're a real person, guys. And then after all that, the name, address stuff, it's going to take you here to transfer to Aspiration. This is where you're going to want to deposit 10 or more when signing up. We're going to end up having to put 1,005 or 1,010. 5 and 10 doesn't matter, but we're going to have to put 1,005 in eventually, so you might as well just put it in at first, but if you don't want to, just put in 10 at first. And then it's going to take you here, which is the Aspiration Plus. This is not the spend and save. This is not the bonus one. This is the plus. You're going to want to click maybe later. As you can see right there, maybe later. So you guys, we're not going to want a monthly fee. That's why we're clicking maybe later. And then it's going to ask you if you want to set up a direct deposit. We're going to continue to my account. There is this $25 bonus for setting up a direct deposit, which you can do if you like. We're just going to skip that for now. It's optional. And then here is how Aspiration makes their money, guys. Usually through donations. We're just getting a churn, guys. We're not donating to them. So if you want to be a nice guy, donate $1 or something. But I'm clicking 0, so we're going to have no fees. Sorry, Aspiration, not sorry. All right, and now you will get this that says your spend and save, guys. If it says plus, you messed up. Plus is the one with the monthly fee. So spend and save account is now open, and now you have to wait a couple days for that transfer to hit through, and you have to wait a couple days for your debit card to actually get to your house. Now, once you get the debit card to your house, guys, this is how you spend $1,000, quote unquote spend. Now, remember, you're more than welcome to use the card to pay your regular bills, your gas, your grocery store, to make it $1,000. But we already have our own cards for that, so we're going to do the method here to where we're not actually going to have to spend. So if you are just going to use it to rack up regular transactions, you don't have to. You can skip the step, guys. So you're going to want to go to a local Walmart, Giant, grocery store, any store that allows you to buy money orders. Make sure to call the store, guys, and ask if they accept money orders through debit cards. Because I know Safeway does not allow you to do it with debit cards, but they do allow it with cash. But I know Giant allows you to do it with debit cards. So you're going to want to purchase a money order of 1,000. This is why you're going to want to have over 1,000 in your bank account. It says using your new Aspiration card. So make it out to your name, the money order. Now you want to have the money order as a little fee, guys, to buy it. That's why we put just more than 1,000, not exactly 1,000. So now we're going to fill out the money. If you have never done a money order, guys, there's different types. Stores have different types of money order, but they're basically the same thing. But they might have lines in different locations. So look up a YouTube video for that specific type of money order. But it's basically like a check, guys. You fill it out to yourself. You don't fill it out to anyone else but yourself. And then you sign the signature spots front and back. Now, once you have that money order filled out and bought, you're going to want to deposit that money order back to your original bank, not your Aspiration, guys. All right, because they're obviously going to see what you did there. So your original bank account. This is what Aspiration gets tricked into thinking that we actually spent 1,000. So now we have spent 1,000 when in reality we spent 80 cents, even though we're going to get 200 back. So basically 200, 199 and 20 cents is how much we're making. Remember, guys, call the store. Check if they take money orders with debit cards. And you could also pay your rent, gas, etc. if you don't want to do the money order method. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like for more content like this. Comment any questions below. I will reply. Also, comment any other bonuses you know about, and I'll make a video about them. Thanks, guys.